Very good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with the new topic. This is something different, unique, as you can see on the screen. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, what it is? It's the feature in Excel that sets a cell's format according to the conditions that we specify. Sometimes what happens, we give the values in Excel in our table and we want that the formatting of those values should be done in some different way. That means with the help of some kind of conditions. And using this option we can change the font color, styling, etc. of the data in the selected cells. And what we need to do for this? We need to go to select Home tab and then followed by the conditional formatting option. So let's understand it practically. First of all, in Microsoft Excel, you observe the screen. We have these fields: roll number, name, house, English, Hindi, maths, total, and the grades. And accordingly, we have put the values from roll number 1 to 10. And firstly, I'm going to try on the values, that is the marks for these three subjects. So in the Home tab, this side you can see we have conditional formatting. As I click on this arrow, I will find different options which I need to apply. Fine. And if I choose any of them, say greater than value, less than value, between, equal, and then for text, for date, for duplicate. So suppose I am taking between, right? Now, if the values are between say 50 and say 60, then I would like to got it as red, but luckily there is no value. In the same manner, one more rule I am going to specify, that is the value from 60 to 70, that I am going to consider as yellow, right? So this one color you can see over here. Again select the cells, and this time for between I am taking 70 to 80, and this time I am looking for green. Okay, so you can see we have some cells with the green color. Let's try one more time. Say selection of these cells, and I am choosing between option, and here I am writing 80 to 90. Fine. And this time I would like, see these options I have chosen. There is light red fill and there are two, three more, but I am choosing custom format. And in the custom format, I have option fill, border, and all that. So I would like to give this say purple color or any of your choice. Say I'm giving this color, right? Golden color or dark yellow. Okay, and then so now you can see that the values are clearly mentioned with different colors. And if I change the value, suppose I give it 70, the color is change. And if I give it 90, the color is change. If I say call it 98, there is no change. Sorry, there is a change but with white background because the condition is not applied. If I do it 56, the color is different. If I do it 45, the color is not there. Why? Because no condition is provided. And if I give 66, then this color. If I give 69, this color. So you can see, you can observe how with the help of different values we can provide different conditional formattings. The same can be applied for the text also. Select the cells, select the values, and then conditional formatting, and then for duplicate values, and for duplicate values I have to give suppose red. So we can see that wherever duplicate values are there, it is showing red. Thank you so much. This is all about conditional formatting, and we can try, we can practice. Thank you so much.